Simple sauerkraut. Take a head of cabbage with the outer green leaves removed. We're going to shred them just the same as what's in the strainer. Try to slice as thin as possible. This batch is already washed and dried. Add pinches of salt little by little. The salt helps draw out the moisture and preserve it. Next, massage the shreds. This is to release the water in the cabbage so it can soak in its own brine. Take your jar and start filling it with the shreds. Try to get the jar as full as possible. Rinse and dry the remaining cabbage if needed. I'm shaving the remaining cabbage down to the core and making sure the core can fit inside the jar. Take flat pieces of the thick leaves and layer them on top of the shreds. This is to keep the shreds submerged. Use as many as needed. Place the core inside and press down. The shreds will continue to release excess moisture when pressure is applied. If it's too much, you can drain it a bit. Cap it off with a lid. Make sure it's tight. As it ferments, the shreds will continue to release water as it ages. Store in a cool, dark place like the back of a cabinet. Fermentation takes anywhere from 2 weeks or longer before shreds are tender and sour enough. After desired time, reopen and enjoy. I enjoy mine on morning eggs or steak dinners. If you're hungry for more, prowl my channel and track down other recipes that pique your interest. Connect with me on other platforms, even the mother channel True Nature, for some fertile gardening videos. If you found this particular video helpful, please like, subscribe, or even leave a tip via Cash App in the description below. See you in other videos. Until then, eat wild, live free.